when you identify congruent parts, and you don't have a picture to show you. So let's say you had triangle GSO is congruent to triangle TLM. Well, just like we said before, you can match them up. So you can say angle G is congruent to angle T because they both come first. And then you can say angle S is congruent to angle L because they both come second. Angle O is congruent to angle M because they both come third. Now you can do the same thing with the segments. So you could say GS is congruent to TL because GS, TL. You can say SO is congruent to LM because those are second. And then you can also take the outside ones and say GO is congruent to TM. So it's just kind of a quick way to pull it out. That's why you want to make sure that they're all written to match up. And then we have one theorem we're going to look up. One theorem that is going to be a little bit difficult, and then we have three that are really, really easy because you guys have already been working with them. So theorem 4.3, this is the harder one. Is third angle theorem. And this says, if you know two angles are congruent, then what do you think you know about the third? What do you think you know about the third? If two angles, if two angles, that's not correct. If two pairs of angles and two triangles are congruent, then what? Then the other one is. Then the third set is. So, if we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and we know A and D are congruent, and we know B and E are congruent, we can say angle C is congruent to angle F. So as long as we know two of the pairs are congruent, we know also the third is.